Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here is a quick video walk-around tour of a recently purchased 2005 Toyota Tundra Limited two-wheel drive double cab with right at 111,000 original miles. See, this is a nice, clean, sexy, glossy black. Real clean truck, well maintained. A quick walk around here. Just purchased this yesterday, actually. Today's December 23rd, 2022. Merry Christmas, by the way. Even though it's a little early by a couple days. Merry Christmas. I hope all you and yours are with family and ready to have a wonderful, joyous weekend. Anyhow, once again, 05 Tundra Limited double cab, two-wheel drive, 111,000 miles, clean California title, clean CARFAX vehicle history report, which you can see for free on our website. I'll show you the interior really quick. Let's put this in here so we don't get our feet dirty on the carpet. Real clean leather interior. This is the Limited, so it's fully loaded with every option. Starting over here, you've got the power sliding rear window, power mirrors, tilt. You got steering wheel controls, cruise control, power seat, dual heated seats. Like I said, full leather, a JBL factory premium sound system. There's your power seat on your driver's side. This truck runs and drives excellent, as you would expect a Toyota truck to do. It's got the split leather bench seat, fold down. It's got a fold down cup holder, an armrest type deal. In the photos, I demonstrated that these seats also come up like this. Other side does the same thing, and all your spare jack and bottle jack and tools are there. There we go. Rear cup holders there and storage. I put a ton of pictures on the website too that you can see. It's got some aftermarket nice 20-inch wheels that look real nice on this truck. Factory tow hitch. Locking tailgate, flipped it down. Those are the floor mats in the back there. Nice factory Toyota bed liner. Like I said, it's got a locking tailgate, so you can lock it so no one can walk away with your tailgate. Nice little aftermarket cat-backed exhaust, all smog legal. And you see the tire depth. Tires are, they're okay. They're 50%. I may put new tires on this truck. I haven't decided yet. They're within specs, but they're a little aged by decoding the DOT sticker on the tire. There's all the undercarriage. California truck too, by the way. Bought in California, brand new, stayed in California. Fired up. Fires right up. Pass smog, safety inspection. I'll pop the hood for you. Excuse me, I thought someone was honking at me. In case you haven't seen our other walk around videos, we do this in one take, no edits, no redos. This has the iForce 4.7 V8, tons of power. Got a internal K&N intake, or not an intake, excuse me, just the filter. Intake still factory, just the replacement filter is just a reusable one. Some aftermarket headlights. Get that out of the way quick, just to show you again, 111,420 miles. I took pictures, that's all on the website as well. So everything on this truck works, runs and drives excellent, no issues. And anybody that knows about these older Tundras, in this particular body style in your model, they had the greatest, most awesome drivetrains in them. The motor and transmission combination. Seems like people favor these over the newer ones. Not just because of the obvious reason, because they're cheaper, but because they're more durable. Anyhow, guess that's it for the walk around video. You can also see tons of pictures on our website, full description, free CARFAX vehicle history report. We do offer competitive financing on approved credit and approved down payment. We are a 5-star Google reviewed dealer. You can visit us online at mccartneymotorcars.com or just give me a call, area code 909-969-0976. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.